Welcome back to the world of overland adventure and sustainable travel, where today we're exploring a vehicle that challenges the disposable nature of modern manufacturing. In an era where many recreational vehicles are built with staples, glue, and thin lamination designed to last only a few seasons, a company called Relic is doing something radically different. They are producing teardrop campers that are not just meant for your next road trip, but are engineered to be passed down to your children and even your grandchildren. Based on a philosophy of extreme durability and timeless design, these trailers represent the pinnacle of one-piece fiberglass construction. Today, we're diving deep into why the Relic Teardrop is being hailed as a literal heirloom on wheels, and how their unique manufacturing process is setting a new gold standard for the industry. The story of Relic begins with a deep appreciation for the golden age of American travel, specifically the mid-century era when things were built with a level of integrity that seems to have vanished from the modern assembly line. The founders of Relic noticed a recurring problem with traditional stick-built campers: water intrusion. Most trailers are constructed for multiple panels joined together at the seams, and as the trailer vibrates down the highway or sits in the rain, those seams inevitably fail. Once water gets into the wooden frame or the insulation, the clock starts ticking on the life of the vehicle. Relic's solution to this problem was as elegant as it was difficult to execute. They decided to build their campers using a seamless, one-piece fiberglass shell. By eliminating the seams on the roof and the sides, they effectively eliminated the primary entry point for moisture, creating a hull that is more akin to a high-end boat than a traditional travel trailer. When you look at a Relic camper, the first thing you notice is the incredible smoothness of the exterior. Because it is pulled from a single mold, there are no unsightly trim pieces or caulked joints covering up structural gaps. This one-piece construction provides an incredible amount of strength while remaining remarkably lightweight. Fiberglass is a fascinating material. It is naturally resistant to rot, corrosion, and UV damage, making it the perfect choice for a vehicle that spends its entire life exposed to the elements. Relic takes this a step further by using premium marine-grade resins and gel coats, ensuring that the finish remains vibrant and glossy for decades with minimal maintenance. This is a camper that you can park in the desert sun or the salty air of the coast without worrying about the structure degrading. Underneath that beautiful fiberglass shell lies a chassis that is just as impressive. Relic builds their trailers on a powder-coated steel frame that is designed to handle the rigors of off-road exploration. They understand that the modern nomad wants to go beyond the paved campsite, so they have equipped their trailers with heavy-duty suspension systems that can soak up the bumps of a washboard road. The wheels and tires are carefully selected to provide the right balance of highway efficiency and off-road grip. Every component, from the hitch to the taillights, is chosen for its longevity. It is this holistic approach to durability that allows Relic to claim that their campers are generational investments. Moving to the interior, the Relic Teardrop continues to impress with a layout that maximizes every square inch of its compact footprint. Despite the small exterior dimensions, the cabin feels airy and surprisingly spacious, thanks in part to the bright, clean finish of the interior fiberglass walls. Unlike traditional campers that use thin wallpaper or wood paneling, the interior of a Relic is just as easy to clean and maintain as the exterior. The sleeping area features a high-quality mattress that provides a level of comfort usually reserved for much larger RVs. Storage is integrated throughout the cabin, with custom cabinetry that follows the elegant curves of the shell. Large screened windows and a high-volume ceiling fan ensure that the interior remains cool and ventilated even in the heat of summer. The rear of the trailer houses the iconic teardrop gallery, and here again, Relic has applied their philosophy of functional elegance. Lifting the rear hatch reveals a kitchen workspace that is a dream for any outdoor cook. Because the gallery area is also part of the one-piece shell, it is incredibly easy to wash down after a weekend of cooking. There's plenty of countertop space for food prep, and the storage compartments are designed to keep your gear organized and secure during transit. Many owners choose to customize their galleries with high-end portable stoves and efficient 12-volt refrigerators, further enhancing the capability of the trailer. It is the perfect setup for those who want to enjoy the ritual of outdoor cooking without the hassle of a cramped indoor kitchenette. Technology is integrated thoughtfully into the Relic design. The trailers feature a simplified but robust electrical system that can be powered by onboard batteries or solar panels. LED lighting is used throughout to minimize power consumption, and multiple charging ports ensure that your devices stay powered up even when you are miles away from the nearest outlet. By keeping the system simple and accessible, Relic ensures that the owner can easily maintain the trailer themselves, further contributing to its long-term viability. There are no complex computerized control panels that will become obsolete in 5 years. Instead, they use reliable, high-quality switches and components that have proven their worth over time. One of the most compelling aspects of owning a Relic is the sense of community and the pride of ownership that comes with it. These are not anonymous, mass-produced units. They are distinctive, stylish, and rare. When you pull into a campsite with a Relic, people stop and ask questions. It is a conversation starter that reflects a specific lifestyle choice. The choice to value quality over quantity and longevity over the latest fad. In a world where we are increasingly concerned about our environmental footprint, choosing a camper that will last for 50 years instead of 10 is a powerful statement of sustainability. In conclusion, the Relic one-piece fiberglass teardrop camper is a remarkable achievement in modern manufacturing. It honors the past while utilizing the best materials of the present to create a future-proof travel solution. It is a vehicle that offers the freedom of the open road with the peace of mind that comes from knowing your equipment is nearly indestructible. Whether you are a solo adventurer looking for a reliable base camp or a parent wanting to create lasting memories with your children, the Relic offers a platform that will stand the test of time. It is truly a one-piece masterpiece of goodness that is ready to be a part of your family's story for generations to come. Thank you for joining us for this look at the ultimate heirloom camper. Stay tuned for more news on the latest in durable travel and high-performance outdoor living.